The Galaxy Z Fold and Galaxy Z Flip could get some company later this year when Samsung introduces the Galaxy Z Roll, or whatever name gets affixed to the Rollable device that the phone maker reportedly has in the works. Samsung is on the record as saying it wants to expand its lineup of foldable phones, and rumors are heating up that a new arrival could appear alongside the updates to the Fold and Flip at Samsung's next big product event. Here's a closer look at what we've heard about the Galaxy Z Roll up to this point, and how we think the device with a rollable screen can earn its place among the best foldable phones. We've been calling Samsung's rumored phone the Galaxy Z Roll because that's the name the rest of the internet seems to have settled upon. But that doesn't mean it will be the official name of the product. There's certainly no definitive rumor on what name Samsung's picked, if it's even settled on a name at all. Thanks to patents in a few leaks, we have a general idea of how the Galaxy Z Roll will work, and how different it will be from Samsung's current foldables. The Galaxy Z Fold5 and Galaxy Z Flip5 both open up to reveal a larger interior screen. The Galaxy Z Roll, however, would use a rollable display to expand the amount of available screen space. At least that's what early rumors of this device have described. Recent filings with the World Intellectual Property Organization may provide some clue. That application showcased two different designs. One with the rollable part of the screen emerging from the side of the phone, and another where the top of the display rolls out vertically. In both cases, the screen is described as opaque, a suggestion that Samsung sees augmented reality as a possible use case for this device. If the concept sounds familiar, it's what LG was aiming to do with the LG Rollable. That device was set to use an expandable screen to convert from a phone into a tablet with the press of a button. LG even went so far as to include a demo during CES 2021, however. LG subsequently exited the phone business, and its rollable phone exited with it. Leaks detailing Galaxy Z Roll specs are few and far between at this point. An early Samsung patent suggested that the rollable device would feature a conventional 6-inch screen capable of expanding to 8 inches. That would be bigger than Galaxy Z Fold5's 7.6-inch unfolded display. Cameras are harder to pin down, as Samsung has taken different approaches with its two foldable phones. The Galaxy Z Fold5 comes packed with cameras, 3 rear shooters, a front camera on the exterior display, and an under-display camera when you unfold the phone. The Galaxy Z Flip5 has a pair of rear cameras, plus a selfie cam on the inside of the phone. You can use the exterior cameras to shoot selfies as well, with the help of the exterior display that can double as a viewfinder for the cameras. We imagine the Galaxy Z Roll would find a middle ground in terms of cameras, but that's pure speculation at this point. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel.